This video is going to be on how I make petrified wood candle holders. This is the rock or the petrified wood that I'm going to be using. It's right out of the ground. It still needs to be cleaned and has lichens on it, dirt on it. So I'll be showing how I first of all cleaned these up in the first segment, and I'll be doing that with this high pressure water gun here. And then later on I will video how I drill these things, and I use a Makita polisher that's got a central water feed system on it to where the water goes directly through the grinder and right here to the core bit. So this is what I'm going to be working on, and I'll get to cleaning these up here shortly. Okay, here I'm going to start cleaning these rocks up, and of course the dirt comes off pretty easily. And the lichens on the petrified wood are a lot tougher to get off. So it'll take me probably the better part of about 30 to 45 minutes to get these all cleaned up before I can start drilling on them. So those really fine lichens that get down into the cracks and crevices of this rock are definitely the most difficult to get out. So that's all for this part. In this part of the video, I'm going to drill the hole in the piece of petrified wood for the candle. And I'm going to start by holding the drill at an angle so I can get a bite into the rock exactly where I want it to be. And then I will gradually come up with it and start oscillating around with it until I get a groove in there to where the core bit will then be guided on its own. So I now have about 1/8 of an inch deep hole, and from this point on, the core bit will stay exactly where I want it to be. So I've gotten that fairly cleaned out. And once I get it just deep enough for one of the candles that I'm going to put in there, I'll show you that part. Okay, I now have that candle fit just perfectly in the piece of petrified wood. I take a whole lot of time and care to make sure that they fit just absolutely about perfectly flush with the top of the rock. So the next part will be how I prepare them for sale. I do a raffia wrap on them to where I'm able to put a label on there identifying the fact that it's petrified wood, that it's from New Mexico, and it gives them pretty much a gift wrap ready to go look. Okay, this is the final stage of doing these petrified wood candle holders. I'm going to wrap this one in raffia and put this nice label on it. Okay, there we go. It's finished and ready to put in a gallery in Santa Fe. That's it.